ladies today, but for us guys, we are all prehistoric. We don't talk about things that are happening to each other. So really, this is a great thing we've done this today. And if we could, you know, just be there for people. We're all here for today. This is a great thing, and turn out with the bikes and everything. So if we just think about what's going on around us and perhaps help everyone, it's a great thing. But honestly, really, Twitch, this is brilliant. Thank you. Right, there's two prizes today. We had two prizes. Ian, are they on the top of the thing? I'm going to come up. So we had the best turned out gent. Jack.
There's a man over there that looks like the best turned out gent. Come up here. Come up here, Ian.
Now, totally unbiased, the best bike was the Triumph I rode around on the back of, and that's unbiased altogether. So I think it was Colin, can you come forward and get you one for your Triumph as well? Beautiful bike. Because I forgot about pillion, how much you got to use these things, but I went for the girly grip instead. Okay, but honestly guys, brilliant. Next year, we're going to be bigger, and we're going to do wet shaving, we're going to do music, we're going to do shoe polishing, we're doing a lot. So if you know some guys next year, we're going to ramp this up. This is going to be massive next year. Okay boys, brilliant.
And we also put our hands together for the White Rock Cafe, who did a most amazing job turning out cups of teas, bacon butties and everything, and gave his time. It's his birthday today.
Happy birthday.
So can we do a little rendition of happy birthday to you? Come on guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear John. Happy birthday to you.